So, you want to see what Torrid graciously gifted me from their Pride 2021 collection. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay, or you can call me J-Bay. I'm a plus size content creator, influencer, and YouTuber. I make content about plus size travel, plus size fashion, plus size lifestyle, and beauty. I have been shopping with Torrid for years, and as a content creator, I have gotten to work with them now several times. In today's video, I'm going to unbox this amazing package they surprised me with. They gifted me most of the items that are going to be in this video, other than two that I'll show you at the very end. The two items at the end of this video are going to be the items I purchased for Pride originally before I knew I was going to get this amazing surprise from Torrid of a bunch of their Pride 2021 collection items. I was so stoked. It couldn't have come at a better time. Not gonna lie, I was having a rough day, and then all of a sudden I got this amazing package at the door. Thought it was actually my order that I actually bought, and then it was a huge surprise from Torrid, so I was stoked. I still am stoked. I am literally so excited to show you everything they sent me, but without further ado, let's just get into this video. So here is the package that Torrid graciously gifted me and sent me to surprise me with their Pride 2021 items. I'm going to show you everything that came in this box, and then I'm going to try the items on for you so you can see how they fit. So Torrid sent me a really nice card. I always save any cards I get from companies, followers, subscribers, whatever it is, because I love them and they mean a lot to me. And I know this is like a weird tidbit, but I didn't ever get any cards until I was like 16. So now that I get them, they mean a lot to me, so I always save them. Just a little side note about me. So the collection that I'm going to be showing you today is from Torrid Celebrate Love collection in celebration of Pride. And they are actually donating 20% of all of their proceeds from the sales of the collection to their Torrid Foundation in support of GLAAD, which I just think is super cool. But now let me go ahead and show you the first item they gifted me. All right, when I saw these, I fell in love. I had actually seen them on the website and I was like, oh, I want them so bad. But I've been trying to cut down on my shopping. Yeah, that's not working very well. But I love, love, love these. These are actually some cute rhinestone slip-on sneakers from Torrid. I wear a size 12. You can find these on the Torrid website under Celebrate Love Rainbow Embellished Slip-On Sneaker Wide Width. So these cute sneakers are actually extra wide width, which I love. I have very wide feet, so these are perfect for me. They have extra cushion, which I also think is amazing. They're super comfy. I already tried them on, and I'm obviously going to try them on for you in this video too. But these fit my feet perfectly, so they'll definitely fit yours, and I just love how fun they are. And these babies retail for $55.50 on the Torrid website. Everything will be linked down below so you can check it out and shop. Alright, so the Celebrate Love Rainbow Embellished Slip-On Sneakers, absolutely love them. They are a little bit tight, obviously, when you first put your foot in. You got to break them in a little bit, but super comfy once you actually get them on, and just super cute. Next item they sent me, you can probably tell I'm already obsessed with because it is just like the first pair, except these are slip-on sandals rather than sneakers. Let me tell you about these slip-on sandals, y'all. I love them. I actually literally own like 3 or 4 pairs of these aside from these ones because I just love how comfy they are. But these are by far my favorite pair of these slip-on sandals now, and I can't wait to wear these everywhere. All right, you can find these under Celebrate Love Rainbow Embellished Slip-On Sandals Wide Width on the Torrid website, and these babies retail for $45.50. They're available in sizes 6 through 13. I love Torrid, but I especially love their shoes since they come in extra wide width, and I just love the quality. These I'm so excited to wear. They're definitely my new favorite pair of these slip-on sandals. The Celebrate Love Rainbow Embellished Slip-On Sandal, I am obsessed with these, just like I knew I would be, and they have so much room, y'all. I told you I have very wide feet. They already come in wide width, but the buckle is actually adjustable, so you have even more room, and I have like 2 notches I can upsize, so I have plenty of room. So if your feet swell or you have big feet or whatever the case may be, these slides would be perfect for you, and they just dress up your outfit, whatever you're wearing, and they're super comfy and really easy to put on. They would probably also be amazing for like the airport because they're so cute, but they're super comfy and you can slip them on and off, so I'm obsessed with these. All right, so this next one is a dress and it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and put a video right next to it, or after this that'll show you like the full length, since it's going to be pretty hard for you to see it here. But I was very, very, very excited when I pulled this out of the box, because I have another rainbow dress from Torrid that I absolutely love and that I get questions about all the time on my Instagram, which if you're not following me, you should check me out at JBay Productions. I'll have all my links down below too, and follow Torrid on there too. But I absolutely love Torrid dresses, and I was really excited to see this one because my rainbow dress from Torrid that I have has been like one of my favorite dresses I've ever owned. So I'm really excited to add this one to my closet, and I just am so obsessed with the rainbow stripes. Don't let anyone tell you you can't wear stripes. No matter what size you are, you can wear stripes. You can wear whatever you want. All bodies are good bodies, and you deserve to feel good in whatever you wear. You can find this item right here on the Torrid website under Celebrate Love Midi Dress Black Rainbow Stripe. Again, everything will be linked down below so you can check it out. And this one retails for $69.50. All right, I am absolutely obsessed with this dress. The Celebrate Love Midi Dress in black rainbow stripes. Oh my gosh. I really love the neckline on this dress. I thought it made my girls look good. I did some twirls and spins because I felt amazing, and I love doing that. Love just living it up, and especially if I'm wearing something colorful, that's when I'm feeling my best self. I'm seriously living for all this colorfulness. I love Pride Month. I'm just really excited about it, and I'm super excited that Torrid gifted me all these amazing items. So I'm giving this dress a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love it. Super, super cute, super comfy, just flows really nicely. All right, this is the next item that Torrid graciously gifted me, and it is so, so soft. You can tell it has a rainbow skull on it, and it's actually off the shoulder, so I'm really excited to try this on. I could see myself lounging around the house in this because it's so soft and it's really light. And since I haven't mentioned before, I actually wear a size 6 from Torrid. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. So most of the items they send me are in a size 6, except for the exception of one. Excited to see how it looks on me, and excited to add it to my collection of loungewear, y'all. This right here is the Celebrate Love off-shoulder sweatshirt, rainbow skull gray, and it retails for $49.50. Celebrate Love off-shoulder sweatshirt with the rainbow skull. I loved this piece. I loved it a lot more than I thought I was going to. The off the shoulder was perfect. It's super comfy, really, really soft, and I'm going to pair it with those leggings. It's going to be one of my new loungewear outfits. I can already tell, and I am obsessing over it, so I highly recommend picking up this piece if you just want something to chill around in and just lounge around in. It's really soft, really comfy. This next one I'm so excited for. It says love is love. It is super soft, and it's a tank, so I'm really excited to rock this all summer long because it is so light. It's going to keep you super cool, which I love. I love being comfy, and I love staying cool, because if not, I get hot, and that's not what we are about. Like, it's hot girl summer, but it ain't hot girl summer, you know what I'm saying? This right here came in a size 6. I am super excited. Torrid really hooked it up, and I am just so thankful for them. Y'all, I've been shopping with them for years, but every time I get a chance to work with them now as an influencer, it just like melts my heart because I just love their company. I love their clothing. Torrid itself helped me gain confidence when I first found them. So they are amazeballs, okay? So you can find this one under Celebrate Love Classic Fit Tank, Love is Love White, and it retails for $32.50. So it's fitted up top and then eased through the body, so it's gonna be a little bit tighter on the top, keep your girls looking good, and then the bottom is gonna be a little bit flowy, a little stretchy, which we all love, right? Or at least I do. So I'm really excited to try this one on. I can tell it's gonna be real comfy. So I am super obsessed with the Celebrate Love Classic Fit Tank. It is so comfortable and it's really nicely fitted on the top and then flowy on the bottom, and it's super comfy. So you could wear this to lounge around. Not to mention it paired really well with like all of the pants that I was gifted, so that worked out perfectly too. I'm really excited for these because they are so adorable. You can see they have colorful hearts. I know it's hard to see, but I of course will show you what they look like out of the package. I'll either insert the clip right next to this or after. These right here are full length leggings, and these are the Celebrate Love Premium Legging Rainbow Hearts Black, and they retail for $29.50. And Torrid sent me a size 6 of these, so I'm excited for these. I have lots of Torrid leggings. I wear them all the time, so I'm really excited to check these ones out. Next was the Celebrate Love Premium Legging in Rainbow Hearts, and I am obsessed with these. These leggings felt super roomy, super soft, really comfortable. If you've had Torrid leggings before, I'm sure you know how they fit, but they are really comfy, and I love the hearts. Like, my fiance even said, you are going to be wearing those all summer long. I can already see it. And I was like, you know it. Yes, I love them, so definitely giving those a 10 out of 10. This next item is a bracelet set from the Celebrate Love Torrid collection, and it's just this really cute gold set of bracelets that are super colorful. I will, of course, insert a close-up. You can find this on the Torrid website under Celebrate Love Rainbow Beaded Stretch Bracelet, Gold Tone, and it retails for $16.50. I absolutely love the Celebrate Love Rainbow Beaded Stretch Bracelets. I will say they didn't fit me the way I would like them to. I was able to get them on, but I have very big wrists, so they didn't fit very comfortably or a way that I think I would wear them all the time. So I thought they were super cute, but they didn't fit my wrist very well, but they definitely could fit yours, so just check them out. All right, so the next item that Torrid gifted me is actually this really cute multicolored grommet belt. I love the multicolored grommet belt. Unfortunately though, you won't see it in this video because it didn't fit me. I couldn't quite get it on. It was a size 5, so I kind of knew that that was a bet, but I wanted to try it anyways, and I really like it. My fiance loves it too. It's just super colorful, and it's just a nice belt. So if you can get it in your size, I highly recommend it. Torrid graciously gifted me are these cute slides. I absolutely love them. They say love in multicolor shiny letters, which I think is just adorable and amazing for Pride. I was kind of sad they didn't fit, but they're still so cute. I do have large feet, so I wear size 12, 13, and my feet are very wide. And so these were just a little bit too narrow. The length was fine, but they were too narrow for me. So that is why they didn't fit. You can find these on the Torrid website under Celebrate Love Black Faux Leather Slide Wide Width. And these retail for $25.50. And they come with extra cushion footbeds for ultimate comfort, which I love. This next item is so cute, so fun. It's just this like colorful explosion, and I'm all about it, y'all. I'm really hoping these fit. Torrid sent me them in a size 4, and I'm pretty sure I'll be able to fit them, but we'll see. They are a cropped length, and of course I'll insert a little clip so you can see the full length. I'm super excited for these, and I'm really hoping they fit, so we're about to find out. But you can find these on the Torrid website under Celebrate Love Crop Premium Legging Liquid Tie-Dye. Yeah, they are actually this very like silky feeling material, and so I'm really excited. I feel like they'll be really comfortable if they do fit, and if you can get them in your size, I highly recommend them already because they're just so cute. These right here retail for $42.50 on the Torrid website, and they come in size 00 all the way through 6. They are a crop length, not full length, and they're so thin that I don't think they're going to keep you super hot. So these definitely could be worn in the summertime, I think, and I'll go ahead and tell you as soon as I try them on. We'll see if they fit and how they fit and all of that good stuff. All right, now I was obsessed with the Celebrate Love Crop Premium Legging, the liquid tie-dye ones. Oh my gosh, they fit me perfectly, and they are a size 4. I normally wear a size 6 for sure in Torrid pants, but the size 4 fit me. So if it's not available in your size, just know that they do come with a little extra room. I was blown away. They're super comfy. They're super cute, really light, so they'd be perfect for summer. I'm loving how colorful they are. I am planning to wear these all times of the year, not just Pride Month. I am just super excited about everything they sent me, but I really like these leggings. I don't have too many crop leggings, so I highly recommend them. They were a 10 out of 10 for me. Absolutely loved them. Super soft. I love the material. It's a very like silky material, and it's just really comfortable. So those were all the items Torrid graciously gifted me. Huge shout out to you, Torrid, if you're watching. I am so thankful for you and your team. I love these items. I think it's amazing what you're doing for Pride Month, and I just am really so excited to have gotten all of these. All right, so now on to the 2 items that I purchased myself before I knew that I was going to be surprised with this amazing package from Torrid. All right, y'all, so when I saw these on the Torrid website, I knew that I needed them. These little heart glasses are adorable. I am seriously obsessed. Before I became very body positive, I didn't think that I was a person who could pull off sunglasses, and now I want every pair that I see. So I bought these because I knew that they would go so well for Pride, and I think these are going to go perfect with the Rainbow Hearts bathing suit that I've also featured in a few of my other Torrid hauls and Torrid videos and plus size swimwear videos. So I will insert a little card here so you can check those out. But I love these, and they are going to be amazing for summer. I'm going to be wearing these wherever I go, looking super, super duper cute. And if you couldn't already tell, I absolutely love the Celebrate Love Rainbow Cat Eye sunglasses. These I'm going to be wearing all the time. I am going to definitely be pairing them with my Rainbow Hearts swimsuit. I am just so excited to show you this one. This is a tie-dye romper. Y'all, this is the first romper I've ever purchased for myself, and I have been talking about wanting one for years. My fiance was so excited when I told him I was getting it, and I am obsessed. It is just so colorful. Not only is it tie-dye, which is my fave right now, but it's made of Torrid super soft material, which if you watch my hauls from way back, I've obsessed over super soft material because it is seriously just that. It is super soft. The clothing that I have that's made out of Torrid super soft material are some of the softest clothes I've ever worn in my life. I'm all about comfort, if you couldn't tell. And this cutie right here is the Celebrate Love Romper super soft rainbow tie-dye on the Torrid website. Retails for $59.50. Super duper cute. I can't wait to put it on and show you what it looks like. I knew I was going to be obsessed with the romper, but I had no idea it would be this amazing. I have never owned a romper before. I am so beyond thrilled about how this one fits, how it feels. It's super comfy, super lightweight, and super soft. I'm living for it, and it's just so bright and colorful, and I'm going to rock this all summer long. I'm so excited. This is my first romper, and of course it was a Torrid one. How could it not be? And again, I'm talking about the Celebrate Love Romper Super Soft Rainbow Tie-Dye. So I absolutely love this one. This is definitely my favorite piece of this entire video that I purchased. I love this romper, and I can't wait to buy more rompers now, especially from Torrid. This one just fits great. Well, I hope you've absolutely loved this video. I want to just give another huge shout out to Torrid for gifting me the majority of the items in this video. I am so thankful anytime I get to work with Torrid, and if you're plus size, you definitely got to check them out. They carry sizes 10 through 30, and they've been my favorite store for years now. I hope you give me a big old thumbs up if you love this video. Hit that subscribe button, turn the bell on for notifications, and follow me on social media at JBayOfficial and at JBay Productions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, guys.